grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, if you need it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something.
Hey guys, it's Yaadie Chrissy and
Muzit.
so this is my long time friend. We started out here together in Germany, right?
Yeah.
We came here pretty much the same year, same month almost.
Yeah.
I met her in German course.
Yeah.
Tell me what you remember from back then. How was I in German course?
Oh, you was excellent, I should say.
No, personality-wise.
Okay, personality-wise, you were...
Did you think I was weird?
I think, like, you were a little bit
weird, okay.
A little bit cold. I mean, I don't know.
I was more friendly than you.
No.
You were the cold one.
No.
I was the one asking her for friendship.
That was just questions that you want to know. I mean, it's not.
Yeah, I was the one like, hey, you seem cool. Let's action. On her phone, like, yeah, we can discuss that.
It was hard for me to get close to. I mean.
So how am I the cold one?
Okay.
You should reverse that one on you.
Okay, I take that back.
I used to want to talk to her. She always was that girl with earphones and listening, being alone now.
Yeah, because it's always hard for me to get close to someone that I don't know, like.
Yeah, so how are you gonna go me cook?
Yeah, but me and you are the same. That's why we get along.
Yeah.
That's why.
We're the same, I guess. I kind of saw that.
Very quiet.
Yeah,
very
we're quiet.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're quiet. That's true.
Mhm.
And then she likes to say I'm more quiet than her.
Nah, not true.
Anyway, guys, that's it about our little friendship.
Yeah.
So some years later, I said, let me try and do a YouTube video with her. So I asked her, what video would you like to do? You know what this girl said? Tell her what video you want to do.
What did I say?
She wanted to do this.
Yeah, truth or drink.
Yeah, she wants to get me drunk. You see what's happening here?
Yeah. We'll see. We'll get drunk.
So I did my best to find some hard questions for you.
Oh, girl.
So you'll only be drinking for all 10 questions.
Nah.
No, okay, that's a lie.
It's not gonna happen.
I did not do it for all 10 questions. Some were okay, so you don't have to drink everything. Don't worry.
The same here. You better behave.
So okay, do you want to start or should I start?
Okay, you start.
Okay.
Okay.
First
Be nice.
question.
Be nice.
She's telling me to be nice. I've not even heard one of her questions yet.
Matter of fact, I have to cover that.
Don't look.
Okay, I'm not looking.
So my first question is, this is gonna be good, guys. So number one, what was the last thing you searched on your phone on Google? You have to expose it. Tell me, show me the last thing you searched. Or you want to drink? She's thinking about it.
Questions, like truth or drink questions. Like what kind of question? That what I searched. And you.
Let me see if that's the last thing.
Right. I mean, I was on Instagram, WhatsApp.
No, it's a search on Google.
Okay, Google, yeah.
Google's gonna expose you. So the questions are the last thing.
Yeah.
Go on your history. She's right, guys. She really just Googled the questions.
Yeah.
That means you did it very last minute. Okay.
Yeah. On a train.
Okay, now you ask me.
Okay.
Too bad it was nothing naughty.
No, I'm not naughty. No. Okay. What's your most shallow reason for not going on a second date?
Shallow reason?
Yeah, like... Or he's short, or you're not cute and stuff.
Oh, I remember one time
Mm-hmm.
I ran away from a date. The first date I ran away from because this guy was really too annoying. He was too clingy. He was like, let me take picture of us, like we couple now, like I need to show everybody, I need to tell everybody
that I was with you.
Yeah, I'm like, okay. And after 2 hours, like after we finished eating and stuff, he was like, yeah, we should go to a bar after. And I think I have to go home now. He was just being too much, too clingy, and I don't know how to describe it besides just being too much.
Okay.
Overwhelming. I guess I'm overwhelming too, so maybe that's why I couldn't have it myself.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay. So.
But is that a shallow reason?
I mean, shallow reasons. I think it's like more like physical, like.
He was short.
See.
Hopefully the poor guy doesn't watch this. I'm sorry. But okay, he was short. I've dated shorter people before, but yeah, I don't know if that.
You?
Yeah, it was okay. I don't think that was the deal breaker,
Yeah.
but it was like, just not your type.
Yeah, you like.
I don't
boys.
like super tall either, so
Okay.
it's okay.
Okay.
It was the overwhelmingness.
I'm glad that he say it. Let's stay for today.
Okay, so 1 round safe. Next
Yeah.
question is. If your crush told you that he liked me, what would you do? Your crush, you know. Oh God, she would kill me.
Open it. I would not kill you, right?
But you don't want to disclose it, so you're drinking. Guys, this is 70%, by the way. Drink it if you're not gonna tell.
I'm not.
Better tell me off camera. I want to know.
Oh God.
It's making you want to cough, huh?
No, I'm fine.
You fine?
I'm
okay.
fine.
Your question.
Oh.
She wanted to do this challenge. I'm not sorry for you.
Okay. Who's your favorite family member?
Damn, girl. My mom.
Really? Okay. Okay, I thought you were gonna drink, but okay.
No, that one is like, I don't know, I'm just...
No, you're just gonna answer it. That's all.
I'm just too close to her. Can't
Okay.
hide the fact.
Okay.
Okay, my turn.
Yeah. Oh God.
If you could swap one physical feature with me, what would it be?
Your height.
Damn, okay, that's
Yeah.
a good one. You know, when I wrote the question, I was like, what is she gonna pick?
Yeah, your height.
Okay.
Yeah.
This girl is not even much shorter, but she has feet like this.
Girl,
And she
it's
said,
normal, I
she
should say.
said they're one size too big now.
Yeah, for me it's big now. Because
Yeah.
it's 37 and I didn't get used to that. It's too big for me. Even still now, like.
Yeah, she said her feet got swollen and now she's wearing a bigger
Yeah.
size.
Yeah. It
Okay.
happened.
Next
Okay.
one.
Yes.
Let me see if you can really bust me, so I have to drink.
Okay. Do you secretly want the password for your base phone? What? Do you want it? Like, do you want to know?
Nah, I don't think
Drink.
I want it. No.
Drink, girl. Just drink.
Why are you forcing me to drink?
Because you're thinking and I'm thinking you don't want to
Nah,
answer it.
I trust
Okay.
him. I trust him.
It's not really not trusting him, just
But
being curious.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
So,
Nah, I think I
No.
trust him. You see, once you start searching the phone, now you know the relationship is over.
yeah.
Yeah, so nah.
Okay. Your turn.
My turn, yeah, sure. So number 4 is, would you go out with an older guy, and what age is too old? Don't say 100 now, Muzit.
It's older.
Would you go to the older guy, no? Or yes?
It depends. Like if he's mature
Exactly.
for his age.
That's
yeah.
what they're saying. How old is too old?
How old? 60
60?
is too old.
You would not date over 60?
No, I wouldn't.
You would date a 60-year-old
no,
guy?
I would not. Stop.
Okay.
I would not.
So
I would
59
not.
you would still date?
No, I would not.
So give me the age at what you would not
Maybe.
date anymore.
I mean, maybe 40, but
40. Damn.
maybe.
That's 20 years. Okay, not 20,
Yeah.
15.
Yeah, 15 something.
Okay, I guess that's still okay.
I mean, I'm just saying that is. It depends on the person.
I
but
think 15
still,
years is still okay, but like 20 is now a bit risque.
Yeah, 20s.
Okay, your turn, girl. I'm scared. Be nice.
No, I'm always nice. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Okay.
I guess I haven't drank anything yet. You're nice.
Okay, what excuse have you used before to get out of plans with a friend?
Why do you have to ask this?
Yes, because.
Let me drink to this one.
Yay! Oh,
Ooh.
be careful.
I spilled a drop.
Okay. You might need water.
Woo. I've had some fair shares of excuses.
Yeah. Just like last time.
That's why I drank, because we had a little situation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I asked.
You wicked. Oh, good.
Okay, it's your turn.
It's my time.
Be good.
Funny how you say be good. This is my ultimate question.
Okay.
So, what's your ultimate sexual fantasy?
Girl, I better drink. I'm not gonna
Come on, we want to know. Tell me, we want to know. Hey! Guys, you see that she's not filling up the thing.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's
fill
enough
it
for
up.
you.
For you.
That. Oh my god.
Oh, too bad. I really wanted to know that question.
You're not gonna know. Oh god.
Continue your turn. I'm not really laughing, it just yeah, let me drink too.
Okay. Okay. What person do you text the most?
My BF
Okay.
and my best friend in Jamaica.
Okay.
But I guess mainly my BF.
Answered. Question answered.
Yeah, I did not drink.
Okay. How about you?
Your turn. When and where was your first kiss? And with whom? I want to know all the details. When and where? You have to think so
First
much.
kiss. I don't even. Okay. My first kiss?
She's thinking about drinking that.
No, I'm not gonna drink. Let me remember.
Who forgets their first kiss? Damn, you've had a lot of
Yeah, I
first
know.
kiss.
Yeah, see, that's not the. Yeah. So. I'm not gonna say. Because. Yeah. In here.
Yeah.
Can I answer?
Yeah.
Yeah. When?
Mhm.
It was in here.
In Germany.
Yeah.
Mhm.
With whom?
Where?
In Frankfurt.
Exactly where? In a park.
In a park.
Mhm.
Yeah.
With whom?
Oh my god. That's 3 questions, girl. That's no.
That's one question. Okay. I don't want told you
In
can't ask 2
Frankfurt.
questions again.
It was in Germany. In a park. That's it.
Okay, you're not gonna say who?
Three questions.
You have to drink
No.
that if you don't want to disclose
Oh
his
my
name.
god. No, I'm not gonna disclose his name.
Okay, that's the point.
I'm not gonna. Girl, that's not fair. It's 3 questions you're asking. Like.
It's truth or drink, it's fair.
Okay, I will drink, but that's not fair. I will,
That's why I asked it, because I know you wouldn't disclose. Hey, what's going on here?
with a half unanswered question.
You shouldn't have answered
Girl,
anything.
that's not.
You should have answered anything then.
Oh, so you're gonna lie? So you can lie?
No, you could have just drank instead of answered anything.
Mm.
I thought that's the game.
I thought place and time is enough for you.
You have to answer everything. Highway or the no or the drunk way.
Girl.
Your turn.
Okay. What is? Okay. Have you ever cheated or helped someone cheat? Help someone else cheat.
I have no clue what you're talking about. I feel a bit thirsty right now.
Girl. Okay. Is that for someone or is that for you?
What?
Is that for you or for someone else that you helped cheat?
Both.
Okay.
I'm not answering one. You see, you also answered 2 questions and you tell me I'm on.
Of course, because you asked me and I'm trying to get you back. Okay. Okay, what excuse of... Oh, it's your turn.
Wait up.
Okay.
So number 7.
Yeah.
Have you ever
Mm-hmm.
searched for something dirty on the internet?
Yes, I have.
I thought you would say you would. You
No.
know.
No? Yes, I have.
Tell me what it was.
No. And I'm not gonna drink.
Okay, your
Yeah.
turn. What do I regret?
Okay.
Damn, where's my 8th question?
Okay.
It looks like I deleted some of my questions by mistake.
Okay. These questions, they're gonna be tough. So be ready. Okay? What's something you're glad your mom doesn't not know about you? Can I repeat?
I heard it.
Okay.
Or something that my mom does not know about me.
Can I repeat it?
Mm-hmm.
What's something you're glad your mom does not know about you?
I like to think she knows everything about me.
Nah, I don't think so.
You're telling me to drink?
I
Drink to
think,
something
I
I don't know?
I mean, of
I
course
don't even
you
know what I would tell her.
Okay.
What I wish she'd know.
Okay. Think a little bit more. Or you don't have.
I think she knows me well. She knows everything.
Okay. Okay.
I tell a woman everything, girl. She's like a best friend.
Okay then.
Yeah, you lost that one.
Okay.
Oh. Have you ever regretted something you did to get a crush's attention?
Repeat that.
Have you ever regretted something
Mm-hmm.
you did to get a crush's attention?
Yeah.
What was that?
I mean, there's no question like that is second question. No? Oh my god. Let me
That's it.
drink.
No, that's it, that's it.
Okay, that's it.
No, you have to tell it, of course. Want to know. Have you done something pioneer to get their their attention? Like go on your knees and say, please date
No,
me,
not
please.
like that. No, not like that.
So what's so embarrassing?
It's not embarrassing. I just okay.
There's nothing. I don't think you did that. Maybe you did.
Not like I didn't beg, like, oh, come back to me, please. No, not like
A
that.
crush's attention. I think they mean like
Just like you back and stuff.
At first, when you just like a crush and you trying to get their attention.
Okay. Taking pictures?
So that's your awkward thing. You asked for a picture.
I didn't ask. I just took
A picture of them.
but not of them, of me.
And
Maybe
sent
on
it to them.
Not just post it on social media, girl.
But it's not directly though. I'm considering.
I mean, they're gonna see it, so hope that they're gonna say something back, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, your turn.
Okay. We're expecting to. What's your. Okay, who's the last person you cribbed on social media?
I remember that question. I was gonna ask you that. I'm considering who would I create on social media. Do I have to give a name?
Of course.
Okay,
You
that's
wanna
not
know?
happening.
We wanna know.
That's not happening.
Okay.
Damn, I'm already feeling dizzy, guys. I am not a drinker.
Me too. Drink water.
Yeah. My number. What question is this? 8?
I lost
9.
I think it's 9 because I have only one.
Yeah, 9 is. Or is it 10?
No,
No,
I think
9.
it's 9.
So, guys, number 9 is. What is one disturbing fact I should know about you? I mean, we've been friends for a little while now, so tell me.
Disturbing fact about me?
Mm-hmm.
That I get annoyed very easily.
And I like to annoy easily. So it's like we're not the best.
And regret things very easily.
So you do things easily and regret
I
them.
regret it.
Okay.
Just like if I buy something and then I done it, like it's done, and then I regret it. Like, dang, why did I bought that? Like,
Yeah, you should think more.
yeah.
But the other part that got to me was the annoyed part, because you know, like my specialty is to annoy people. So it doesn't sound like a good match at all. Made it have.
But it's so. I think.
Guys, I'm seeing the stars and the moon right now.
Just like the. What did you say? Like.
I'm seeing the stars and the moon. Like this thing is hard. Damn.
Yeah. The alcohol is kind of like going out with my ears.
Okay, girl, your turn. Ask me your last question.
Okay. My last question. No.
You said it's
I
your
think
last.
Okay. What's your
Oh, it's your 9th question too. It's not
Okay.
your last.
Okay. What is the one thing you really like about yourself? Come on now. This is very
like that I'm ambitious.
Yeah.
I'm hardworking.
easy. Yeah.
Yeah.
I agree.
I never give up. I'm gonna make it to the top.
I know that. You will. Okay, that's easy.
Yeah, my turn now. Let me see what I'll ask you.
No.
My last question is, if you had to delete 5 people from Instagram, which 5 would they be? Like close people to you, but not that close. Don't tell me a singer or something now. Like tell me people that are close but not so close. Maybe you would have to delete them. Somebody say.
So I have to.
Leaders, I shoot. Who would you delete?
Like, do I have to say names?
Yeah, I want to know if it's your mama on the top or.
No, let me drink. Just let me.
You're gonna drink? You don't want to tell us?
No, I don't. Very close to me, like my family. Is that the question?
Yeah, like you can't say a random singer.
No, okay.
It has to be somewhat in
my household.
friends.
Okay.
Friends or family.
No, I don't want to say.
So you're gonna drink for the last question?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
No problem.
Sorry. This is not a lot. I've got one for you. Oh, I've got one for you.
Yeah, she has the tent. Damn, she spills it everywhere. Yeah, drink up, girl. You see how that thing is full?
Oh.
You okay? Oh, should I knock you back?
I'm fine now.
Eyes are already red.
Really?
Hello.
That is tough.
Okay, ask me a last question.
What is the Okay. What is the shortest amount of time you've known someone before hooking up?
Damn. Let me think about that one.
And name the person.
Name the person. You're crazy. Okay, let's just take a shot. As if I would name the person.
I would want
Toast
to know.
to you guys. You nosy.
We want to know, but
I was already seeing the star and the moon. Now I'm seeing the planets.
no, the sun.
Oh, girl. Okay, guys. We made it to the end of the video. I think I can still talk.
Yeah. Your number or something?
So guys, we've made it to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I'm Crystal. This was Muzit.
Yeah.
I'm still trying to convince her to do her own YouTube channel. Comment down below if you want to see content from her. She's good at makeup and she has a nice little family at home. Yeah, if you're interested, comment down below. Tell her to start YouTube. What do you want to say for the end?
No, I just have fun. A lot of fun with you. Filming. This is my first time and
Yeah, she survived it.
Yeah.
Her eyes are red, but she survived.
Yeah, 70% you say? Of course.
She wanted to do this challenge, oh god. Yeah guys, so thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment down below. We see you next time. Peace.
Yeah, your heart is a sun and it shines as it opens.
Where your heart is the sun and it shines, says it opens.
Yeah, your heart is a sun